Hi guys, do you remember my slippers? Now I want to put the insole at the bottom of it. Look, usually I glue it, but today I have no glue, so I will sew it. And look, I have taken a little smaller one because I should put it here, and the sizes will be very good if the insole will be a little bit smaller. Good look. Okay. I don't take away the slipper from the mold. I do it like that. I just stick it with a needle at many sides. For it not to move. And for me to easy for sew. Okay, something like that. Of course some of them will go out, but I will do it again. So I do it as I can, as I usually do. Very easy around the whole insole, which is outside. Nothing special. Very close to this woolen insole. And so on. Now I make holes with this device, not very close to each other, maybe 1 centimeter away from each other. Around the whole sole. Again, I fix with needles the sole. I fix the sole with the needles. Maybe I use 3 or 4, it depends. I just want to fix it. Then I fix the thread, special thread for shoes. So I have fixed it. Now I fixed the thread. Now the needle goes through the sole and through the wool between 2 threads. and again through the hole and through the wool between two threads around the whole sew. And again through the hole, through the wool between two threads, and etc. That's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.